Now we move to the exit gate. The coding for exit gate is kind of the same as the entry gate, except only the entry gate and the entry sensor GPIO numbers are different. So we start with importing the library of RBI.GPIO as GPIO, importing the time library, then set warnings for the GPIO as false. We set the mode for the GPIO as BCM. As we discussed, we have two naming for GPIO. One is board and one is BCM. I'm going to use the BCM. The entry gate is connected with the GPIO 19, and the entry sensor is connected with GPIO 14. We set up the entry gate as GPIO out, and we set up the entry sensor as GPIO in, with pull up down as GPIO pull up down up. We are calling two functions, close gate and open gate. For pulse, we are declaring, making an object of PWM for entry gate with frequency is 50, and then we start the PWM. The angle of the gate is declared by changing of the duty cycle of the servo motor. So we start B.change duty cycle from 8.9, sleep for 1 second, and then B.change duty cycle to 4. That is the angles where it starts and where it ends, and then we stop the PWM. The same for open gate. We are making an object of B for PWM for entry gate with frequency of 50, and then we start the PWM. We change the duty cycle for PWM from 4, sleep for 1 second, and then change duty cycle to 8.9, sleep for 1 second. That is where it starts and where it ends, and then we're gonna stop the PWM. We declare another function called start exit module with gate state as close, and then we make a loop. We're going to get entry sensor of 0 when the car is in between the IR big beam sensor. If that's happened and the gate state is close, we're going to call the function of the open gate in order to open the gate for the car, and we change the variable of get state to open. Vice versa, if the entry sensor is showing 1, which means like the car has passed this IR big frame, it will give input of 1, and the get state is open. What we're going to do, we're going to close the gate. So we're going to call the function of close gate, and we change the variable of get state as close. I hope this is making sense for the coding for the exit part of the project.